Many people know that I've been talking about a drought since July, and we have some snow and a little rain here and there, and it's still super dry here. Okay, so I'm walking along the creek now. I'll see what the levels are. They finally came up, but they're not normal. Let's check it out. There's a beautiful little creek. At least it has flow again. Not much, but it has some flow. Some other nature lovers have been here. I'm going to walk up to the top area and come back down. Let's go for a little crackly. This way. I found this earlier in here. It's still here. Look at this nice chicken of the woods. Still has a tinge of pink orange to it. Oh, this guy must be a giant. Look at the size of this. This up in his mine. Look at this size of this here. They just wear them extra big, I guess. Bigfoot. This is where the hunter cameras are. I hate these things. I hate them. Hunter's cameras. When you see, they're like roaches, you know, because when you see one hunter's camera, you know there's more. That's the thing about hunter's camera. Just like roaches. You see one, you know there's more around. You know, one watching the camera, one watching, you watch the other cameras watching that camera. I didn't see any trucks down here or up top, so just doing a little hike here. Shouldn't have to be too concerned, just be a little wary. Yes. The creek is filled up a little bit, it has a decent flow. What the heck kind of voice is decent flow? We're going to make some music now or what? No, I don't have time. There it is. That's it.